Okay, we made it to 3 weeks old. They are pooped out right now, but I don't think it's going to be for long. Hi, sweetie. You can see me now, yeah. There's the Miss Pink, a little trouble. I wonder if I go inside, will they wake up? Oops, sorry. Sweet little faces, sleeping. Except you. You're not sleeping. No, you're not sleeping. Some of them are almost 4 pounds, and some of them barely 3 pounds. But they're growing very nicely. Oh, this red one really likes to sleep. Oh, that's a pink one. Where's the red one? Is right there. Oh. Hi, sweetie. Who are you? You're the little orange. You're the little orange guy. Yeah. And there's the little peanut. There's the little peanut sleeping. You're sitting on your brother. That's not being nice. You're sitting on your brother. Huh? This is what I like when they're quiet like this. You have teeth. Hey, you have teeth already. Yeah, you have teeth. I'm trying to get as many pink, a little Deborah. It's only nice when she's sleeping. Yeah, I guess she's the alpha of the pack. Okay, so hot. Should I put the fan on? Huh? Where you going, baby? Where you going, sweetie? Come here. Where you going? Huh? Where you gonna go? There's your toy. Right there. Cuddle up to the toy. Cuddle up to the toy. Yes. Cuddle up. There you go. Cuddle up to the toy. No? You don't want to? He's a little surprise puppy right there. I wonder how he's gonna look like. Got hiccups. Okay, we're gonna let them sleep for a while. And then we're gonna tape another one.